Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you want a stroller for your very own fur baby, then you're gonna love this one that I got from bicystar. I got this primarily for use on our gravel road, but the wheels are great for all types of terrain. This is lightning fast, both to open and close. I could not believe it only took a few seconds to do so. Look how much mesh is on this stroller. There is so much room for your pet to look around and enjoy the ride with you. There's even convenience for you. There's a bottle holder on the side, and it even fit my square size bottle, which I really liked. There's pouches on either side of the stroller, and there's a basket underneath, so you can put things like snacks for the pet or water. I love the little zippered access in the front because then I can sneak snacks to my bunny when we're taking a break. The stroller is super smooth to operate. I was even able to maneuver it with one finger, and the brake system is awesome. There's a main brake in the back, and then both of the front wheels have brakes too. I also love that you can push this two different ways. So this way is more like the pet-parent connection, and then this way is more like the adventure experience for the pet. bicystar has hit it out of the park with the design on this stroller. I know you're going to love it as much as I have. I definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.